Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sayantani and it's so nice to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make mukut and ornaments for goddess. So without further ado, let's get started. So you will need some multi-purpose glue, foam brush, a pen, a scissor, some hard paper, a piece of aluminum foil, and whatever decorative items you have at home. I didn't have much, so you can see what I did with them. Apply some glue on the paper, spread them evenly with a brush. Attach the foil and make sure there is no air bubble. Now measure the head. While measuring, you should measure ear to ear, not the whole head, if that makes sense. Now mark on the foil and draw the outline of the crown. There is no rule to it. Just release your imagination and design whatever you feel like. Once that's done, measure the neck and shoulders and trace it on the foil. Now design a neck piece for your idol. Again, just follow your imagination. There is no strict rule to it. I'm going to attach some pearls and crystals on my ornaments and crown. Whenever you feel like there is empty spaces, feel free to doodle on it. I have also made 2 earrings, or part of crown I should say. As I am making this for upcoming Laxmi Puja, therefore a kalash is very important. So there goes my kalash. Now you can see them individually. It's time to cut out my crown and the neck piece. So there you go guys, it was pretty easy and quick DIY. Hope you enjoyed them. If so, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done yet. Write me in the comment section if you have any question. Oh, I forgot to mention the bracelets. I also made them because otherwise it will not look complete. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Bye guys.